Hi, I'm Kevin Johnson with F&H. We're a certified SPX Flow service and repair center. Today we'll be demonstrating the proper way to disassemble, inspect, and change the product seals on a Waukesha 200 series centrifugal pump. Let's look at the tools required to perform this work, then we'll get started. First, we're going to start with the wet end disassembly. Remove your casing clamp. Your casing. Set aside. Next, you got your impeller nut. Remove with an impact or ratchet. Now we're going to remove the impeller and back plate off the shaft of the motor. Set down. Remove any shims that are behind the pump. Set aside. Now to remove the seal, pull your slinger off. Grab your 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Remove 2 set screws. Set your spring seat aside. Tab washer. Use your back plate to remove your seal. Inspect for cracks or damage. Set aside. Your seal seat has 2 lives. If this side is worn out, you can always use this side or remove the 4 bolts. Remove your stationary seal. Note the L gasket. Your seal is 2-sided. If one side's wore, flip it around, use the other. That concludes the disassembly of the Type 1 seal on the 200 series Waukesha pump. Now we'll get into the reassembly. For the reassembly, we're going to take our L gasket, install our new seat, set it in your back plate, install the retainer with the 4 bolts. Install your back plate on your impeller. Careful not to chip your seal seat. Take your new rotating seal. Slide onto your impeller. Lubricate your O-ring. Slide on. Use your spring retainer to seat your O-ring. Once it's seated, use your tabbed washer. Align your slots with your sleeve. Same with the retainer. Compress your retainer all the way, approximately releasing 1/8 inch. Tighten both set screws. Install your slinger. Take your original shaft shims, slide them back onto the motor shaft, install your casing assembly. Make sure it's seated. Install your impeller nut. tighten with your impact. Now ready for our casing O-ring. Our casing. And our casing clamp. Once that's tight, check your impeller for rotation. That concludes Type 1 seal on the 200 series Waukesha centrifugal. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.